I have for you the best gift idea for the upcoming holiday season. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video, and the reason is that I will share with you some beautiful gift ideas that are ideal for any kind of gifting reason, but especially during the holiday season. Those are going to make a beautiful impression. So, lovely company Read Your Heart, with whom I'm collaborating for several years, has yet again reached out and asked me if I want to pick a few of their lovely pieces and share them with you on my channel. They are a Moissanite company, They are specialized in Moissanite, which is basically a gemstone that has the same properties as diamond, but it's created in a lab, and the price is incomparable low. So this is even better for those who cannot afford to pay the high price tag for the diamond, because they can enjoy the same quality at a very, very affordable price. Also, I love the fact that company ships worldwide, and right now on the site it's running the Black Friday promotion. Buy one, get 50% off on the second item, and I have a discount code on top of that. My discount code Julia15 will give you another 15% discount on top of already existing discounts on the website. So don't wait, just grab, jump and purchase something for you, for whomever you think deserve to receive a exquisite jewelry during this lovely holiday season. You get a gift bag, so you can use this and gift with even more grace. And Grace is the lovely lady that I'm collaborating with from Read Your Heart. And you get the Moissanite certificate that is certified by GONA. Guys, I'm so chuffed about the weather, that it's horrible. It's raining. I was trying to record another day, but I checked the forecast and it looks like we are going to have a rainy or cloudy week here in my location, so I'm going to record anyway. And together with your order you will receive also a polish cloth to polish your jewelry and a guide. And now I'm going to share with you the pieces that I was kindly allowed to choose. First item, it's this lovely ring. So everything comes packed in those beautiful Tiffany blue jewelry cases that I'm keeping and reusing, and the jewelry is coming packed in this one. So this is a statement ring actually. This is the fashion Moissanite multiple crossover interlocking wedding band ring, and I have it in the size 9. Absolutely stunning. I love the crossing and the all design of the ring. If you only wear this one, you will have a great statement. The metal, it's of course 925 sterling silver. This crossover Moissanite wedding band will get you noticed for any occasion. The Moissanite is delicately dispensed along the band for a romantic glow. Next ring. This has both silver and yellow gold. I don't think so that you're going to see the detail of the yellow gold that it's underneath, but I'm going to pop a picture. And this is in the size 6.5, and it's perfectly like a engagement ring. Actually, you can propose to your lady with this ring if you are a gentleman and you are watching this video. So this is the Moissanite Luxury Halo two-tone sterling silver ring. Is discounted from $149 to $89.95 right now, so it's highly discounted. The material color is two-tone, silver and yellow gold. And this is coming in 1 carat. But don't go away, I still have more to share with you. What we have in this one. The last piece that I choose was a yellow gold ring. It's the first time when I'm choosing from Read Your Heart a yellow gold ring. This is absolutely stunning. The camera in the horrible weather doesn't make justice of how beautiful this ring is. I'm going to wear it with very big pleasure all the time. This is the Starlight Moissanite White Shank engagement ring. It retailed for $166.58 and now it's discounted to $99.95. I also have it in the size 9, and this is also coming in silver. So if you are not a gold person, I'm usually not, but I wanted to try something in gold, then you are also able to choose it for you in silver. This beautiful ring comes with a thick band that puts front a star centerpiece encrusted with bright moissanite. So in front we have this beautiful star that has a moissanite on top. Everything I'm sharing in today's video has moissanite, and this is coming in metal coral silver or yellow gold plated. We have 2 options. All jewelry, even there is a statement here, all jewelry settings are available in 10 karat, 14 karat and 18 karat yellow, rose and white gold, as well as platinum. Most jewelry settings are available in alternate center stone shape and carat weights. But Grace, who is so graceful, spoiled me with a special gift. So what I received from Grace is this absolutely stunning engagement ring or wedding band, and I can wear this now with my silver jewelry without having a contrast between gold, yellow gold and white. So thank you so much, Grace, for this one. And this, I believe, is size 6 or 6.5, but it's perfectly fitting my ring finger, and it's also stackable. So this is the triple pave moissanite half eternity wedding band stackable ring. This is what the moissanite wedding band looks when you stack it with your engagement ring. I think it makes a beautiful statement. This retails for $94.99. So I'm so thankful. I'm actually over the moon for all the beautiful jewelry I received from Grace and Read Your Heart site. So thank you so much, guys, for your love and support, for watching my video, because this has made possible to have and share those with you on my channel. I'm going to link all items down below, and if you shop, don't forget also to add at the checkout my discount code. This is not an affiliate code. I'm not getting anything. Everything I'm getting is what I'm sharing with you. Those being said, I want to send a special thank you to Read Your Heart for yet again allowing me to share with you some of their beautiful collection. Don't wait, just run and place your order if you want to get a beautiful jewelry for you, for your mom, for your wife, for your bestie, for whomever you love in your life. So I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch, and looking forward to see you again with the next video. Bye!